Hi guys, this is Al from Offroad Portal. This month, December, we're doing the first giveaway of the Yankum rope 7/8 Python in red. This is an awesome Kinetic rope that we use all the time. And we have a total of 32 participants, and 21 of them are patrons, but participants, so they're getting 100 tickets each. And then we have 11 more participants that are just participant through email, so they're getting one ticket each. I'm trying to be transparent and explain how this works. We're about to see who the winner is. So let's see. And looks like the winner is Debi. So we will be contacting Debi. Congratulations, she's the winner of this month Kinetic rope, and we'll do another one next month, so you guys have still time to sign up and see if you're the lucky one that gets the next one. Thank you guys.